Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to create this section. So first we will create this next 3 days title. So for that I will go to my code and I will copy this location title and paste it over here, and I will change it to section title, paste it over here. Now I will create this section title in my text primitives file. So I will copy this, paste it over here, change it with section title. Everything else would be same. I will copy this style and paste it over here, and I will call it section, and same style I will provide in my section title text. So I will add few properties over here. So the color is white, same. Next I will provide margin top, which is 4. Margin bottom would be 10. Then I will provide font size, and for section title font size is 18 and font weight would be 600, same. Save it. Now I will go to my index file and I will change the value to next 3 days, and I will import this section title, save it, and now we can see next 3 days. Next I will create this daily forecast chip. So in this chip we have the day of the week, weather icon, and high and low temperature. So let's create this. So for this, in my components folder I will create a new file and I will call it daily forecast row.tsx, and I will create export const daily forecast row, and I will create an arrow function, and inside here I will return a view from React Native. Save it. Now in my index.tsx file I will import this daily forecast row. Now inside my daily forecast row I will give a style to my parent view, and it would be styles.row, and inside here I will create the styles. So style sheet I will import from React Native, and I will say dot create, and inside here I will provide this row style, and for row style flex direction is row and gap is 12. Save it. Next I will iterate through daily weather forecast, which I have get from the Meteo API response. So for that I need daily. So this daily I will get from my props, and another thing I need over here is the days. Now I will quickly create an interface for this. I will call it DFR props, which is daily forecast row props. So first property is daily, and daily I will get from my types, and second one is days, which is nothing but the number, and I will pass these props over here. Now inside the curly braces I will say daily dot time, which is array of string, and I will say dot map, and I will get day, which is a string, and I will get index, which is a number, and over here I will return for now an empty fragment. Save it. In order to get the weather forecast for specific days I will slice this time array, and I will write slice, and inside here I will say 0 to days, And over here for days I can set default value as 3. Now I am getting error over here because I am not passing any value. So I will quickly go to my index.tsx file, and over here I will say daily would be equal to data.daily, and days would be 3, or I cannot provide anything because default value is already 3 inside our daily forecast row component. So I will go over here, and now I can quickly show the days over here. So first I can say view and view, then I can take a text over here from React Native. Let's copy this, paste inside here, and we can pass simply the day, and we can give it a quick style. Let's say chip label, and inside here we can provide color, and we can give it the value hash C6D0E0. Save it, provide this style inside the text, chip label, save it. Now we can see the dates over here. Before moving forward, I will get all the required values from this daily object. So first I need higher temperature, so I will say const high, and I will get it from daily. So daily dot temperature to max, and I will call I over here, and I will do a quick null check as well. Copy paste this. I will call it temperature 2m min, and I will call it LO for low. Next I need the weather code to get the weather icon. So I will say const decode, and I will call daily dot weather code, which I will get from index, quick null check, and default value is 0. Now I will get meta. So dmeta would be WMO, and then I will pass decode over here. I need to import this WMO from constants. So we created this file earlier in the last video. So this will give us the meta tag with respect to the code we provide. Now if we get dmeta from WMO code, that's fine. If not, then we will set our default value, and in that value our label is dash, and our icon is weather cloudy. Next I will create a label which will give us the days of the week. So for that I will say const label, and inside here I will say new date, and I will provide the day inside here. Next I will convert it to local date string, and inside here first I will provide undefined, and second I will provide weekday, and I will give a value short just to show the 3 letters of the day, and we can quickly pass this label over here. So now you can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Next I will create the icon, and for that I will use material icon, material community icons, and inside here for name I will use dmeta.icon. Size I will provide 28, and color is white, which is hash triple F. Save it. So now we can see icons over here. Next we will again use the text, and for text I will just copy this and paste it over here. So inside here I will provide the high and low temperature, so I will say math.round, and inside here I will say high. Outside the curly braces I will add slash, and I will provide math.round and low. So now we can see high and low temperature. I will quickly provide the degree sign over here so that it looks good. Now I will provide the style, so I will call it chip temp. Now I will create this style inside my styles. So I will copy paste chip temp. First I will provide the color, which is white, and then I will provide the font weight, which is 600. Save it. Now the only thing pending is providing the chip style, so I will provide that style, styles.chip, and I will create this style inside here. So for this, first property is flex, which is 1. Then we have background color, which is hash 111 A to B. Next we have border radius, which is 14. Next we have padding vertical, which is 12. Next we have align items, which is center. Next we have gap, which is 6. Then we have border width, which is 1. And then last we have border color, which is hash 1B2742. So with this, our daily forecast row is completed. In the next video, I will create a common component to handle this error and loading state. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.